So we stopped at this U-Save Travel Plaza in West Virginia and spent like 20 bucks. We had a Philly cheesesteak and cheese curds, and then I tipped her $3. So it was pretty good. I don't know. It wasn't like great for the price, but you know. Is there a right turn lane there? I don't think I can get around that guy. I probably could, but I don't want to risk it. So we'll just wait for that light to go green. There we go. I keep forgetting we're light, dude. I'm like, normally I just gotta mash the gas and then it takes a minute to go, but we're good. So we're gonna roll on here, and I think we got like 400 something miles to go. Well, only like 300 something today, but 400 miles total. All right, so we're at the TA in Erie, PA. Can't remember. I think there's an entrance further. Oh my gosh. That's really testing the shocks on the tractors. But there should be some free parking still. It's currently 9:20 here. We'll see.
Turn right, then take the first right.
Dead or alive, and I'm wanted, wanted, dead or alive. That's a good song. I was listening to it. Alright, let's see. I'm sure we're gonna have to park pretty far back. Pretty far back would be my guess, but we're not parking, we're not paying for parking, so. WWE Super Smash. Just kidding, I don't even know anything about WWE. There's a WWE trailer though. I used to like watch it kind of as a kid, like not really, but you know, like I think like when I was 10 I'd watch it every so often. And yeah, there's some spots. Do I want to? Hell, we'll just park back here. The walk's okay, right? And it's a straight back, sort of. I've screwed that up, I'll tell you that right now. I know I didn't cut it up hard enough, but those hazards. I'm gonna have Subway tonight. I'm really hoping it doesn't give me the craps, because it's gonna be a long walk to pinch my cheeks. Ears just popped, but I should fix this. Crap. Alright, let me slide over a little bit. I don't know, I have like OCD when it comes to truck driving. feel bad because we have those backup alarms, and I'm sure it annoys like everybody, but you know, what can I do? I'm gonna smack this curb back here, but I also want to go a little bit further back than this guy. All right, right there's fine. All right, we literally did like 10 hours and 15 minutes off duty. I called, dude, it's getting freaking cold out. So I'm glad I backed in off the road. If you look back here, there's no way I'm turning around. So we gotta bump this concrete pad back here. Trying to make sure I don't freaking hit anything. He keeps waving me, but it's like, I see it, dude, but Alright, so we just had one tractor unload at this first stop, and now we're headed over to the next stop. It's 70 something miles away. The guy here was like, make a left out of here and then do all this, and Trucker Pass saying go right, but Garmin saying go left, so Garmin gave me a better route here, so I'm just gonna go this way for now. Yeah, and he said make a right on, yeah, that's what he told me to do, so I guess we'll probably just listen to what he said. Made it to our next stop. What I'm doing, I got the steering wheel turned the wrong way. Oh boy, it's gonna be kind of fun because I can't see anything. So let me get hard right here. Probably was Cornell, but I'm backing in here, so you have to give me a minute. There we go. That's the right trajectory there. So we're just gonna keep it straight. Oh, we'll go one turn left here, just to push it over. Now I'll give it some right. We go a little bit left here. I don't know why the trailer's fighting me so much. Hopefully we're good on that other side. We're not straight here though. Shoot. I needed to push it over more. I got scared because I forgot what was on my backside. It doesn't look like there's anything. Alright, give her some right. We gotta work it back over. That was too much. Alright, I'll keep it going this way for now. We need to go more left. And we'll need to cut it right once we get here. still don't think we're quite straight with it, but hold it there. So we got unloaded, took about 30 minutes. This guy at this John Deere place in New York, super cool guy. I was telling him about just like trucking and all that, because he's asking questions and all about the OTR experience and all that fun stuff. So if you're from this area and you need to do a mower, a John Deere riding lawnmower, come over here to I don't even know what town I'm in. Macedon, I don't freaking know, something like that. We got our next load though. It's not a very big one. Kind of sucks, but we're going to further into New York, and we're going to Ohio. And I was like, Cornell, we're not going to Ohio and then back to New York again. He's like, yeah, you're telling me, dude, this is ass. And I was like, good, I'm glad we agree. So I think New York for the next load's way out of the question, and I'm hoping it's like Kansas City or something, dude. Come on. All right, we're going to 20B. So I think we need to make a right here. They told me to go to the staging lot, which is right there, but I was going super slow, and then I got a text for which door, so I kind of got yelled at for not stopping the other day. Well, I wasn't yelled at, I just was told I need to make sure I'm stopping. So there's no stop sign, but it does say stop, so that was pretty easy back. Cut it as far in this way. Come down. Going right there. Dude, I hate sliding my tandems to the rear. I never do it, so then like when I do it, I like cut it up and then I'm like, gosh, it's not even close. So now I need to go hard left. Some more right. Hard left. Oh. She's bumpy. We may have nailed it though. Pretty dang good, son. Pretty dang good. I'm guessing I have to chalk my wheels. I also got this stupid safety vest on. Oh! Why do I keep slamming into these stupid docks, dude? Oh my god. All right, sleeper berth. So we finally got loaded. We are a little heavy. I got my sleeper and dome light on. We are like 32.5 on the drives and 34,000 on the tandem, on the trailer. So I think I'm still gonna scale out of Love's, but if it's like 34,000, I'm just gonna run it because 34,000 is the legal limit, so you know, it's illegal. So yeah, I also have 2 hours of video on my GoPro right now, almost. It's about to, I have like 10 minutes left of video recording until it's maxed out. So I just, like, you guys probably saw the video like probably a week ago maybe, and that video is like almost 40 minutes long, and I had to edit that whole video into one today. I was gonna make it 2, but I just made it 1 so I could clear that and then upload this, so I can start with all this videotape stuff and edit that. So that's what we're gonna do. It took 2 hours though, so we gotta 2-hour split. So we'll have to do 8 hours and then go tonight to basically make our delivery, because our delivery's at 10 a.m. and as of right now we'd be there at 1:32 if we drove straight. We don't have enough hours for that, but we have to do a 10-hour. So how to figure it is 1:32 plus 10 hours is 11:32. So I'd be an hour and a half late to my delivery if I did a 10-hour break. So I'm gonna have to do an 8-hour break and get up at like 9:30. Well, that's still gonna be pushing it, because I gotta do a post-trip and a pre-trip. I don't even know how far I'm gonna drive tonight. I think at least like 150 miles back to Erie, PA, at least. Back to that same TA. I don't know how far that would be out from tomorrow though. But yeah, we'll at least drive back to that TA for the night. So we're gonna get rolling though. We're back at the same TA from the night before. It's definitely more packed tonight, but we're also here like an hour later than we got here the other night, but there's still spots. There's just, I don't really like parking on the end. I'm gonna go down and then come back up and then park like over here. Oh, there's a lot of potholes here. What the hell? But yeah, this is pretty much this week's worth of footage here. When I'm saying this, that means you guys have seen that all the footage that's been on my GoPro for like the last week. I got like 13 minutes till I run out of storage. So, and then we gotta get up after 8 hours, so that's fucking 6 a.m. and then we got 254 miles, which is like 3 hours and 50 minutes. So we'll be there right at 10 a.m. I think. Is this? Yeah, it's still Eastern time. Oh, look at those. Those are up and close. Should I take one of these? I think I'm going to. I hate backing in at night. You can't see anything. Stupid. I'm gonna go hard left. We just gotta make sure we're not gonna hit anything over here. Just a second. Oh, yeah. I guess we're nailing this back, maybe. I can't really see that line. I bet there's 2 spots. This guy parked in here all stupid. Alright, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe for future content. See you guys in the next one. Peace!
Come on. Everything is A-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.